Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both your AirPods and your source device. First, make sure firmware and iOS are updated and your AirPods are paired. Increase the device volume to around 75% and turn off any system volume limits so you have headroom. Once done, check the physical fit. A proper seal boosts bass and perceived loudness, so try different tips or reposition the buds. Make these steps now. They enable the clearer adjustments that follow. Now adjust the software controls that directly affect output. Open Settings Music and ensure volume limit is disabled and 100% is allowed. Once done, pick an EQ preset like Bass Boost or Late Night to raise perceived loudness. Next, enable headphone accommodations in accessibility and tune the sliders to emphasize highs or mids. Also check balance and Bluetooth codec options. Sometimes switching codec, finish by applying hardware resets and cleaning to eliminate physical bottlenecks. Forget the AirPods in Bluetooth, hold the case setup button until the light flashes, then repair to force fresh calibration. Clean the speaker meshes gently. Earwax or debris can cut volume dramatically, so use a soft brush or microfiber. If sound remains low, test the AirPods with another device to isolate the issue, and if needed, contact support. One quick troubleshooting tip. A clogged mesh often mimics hardware failure. Clean first, then reset.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.